Planning an office relocation in Wisconsin? Whether you're moving within Milwaukee, Madison, Green Bay, or the surrounding towns, 3 Movers is your trusted partner for a seamless office move. Our experienced team understands Wisconsin's unique business environments and handles every detail with care, professionalism, and efficiency. From bustling cities to charming rural communities, we tailor our services to meet your needs. 3 Movers offers secure storage solutions, both short and long-term, confidential document handling for sensitive files, eco-friendly moving options with reusable packing materials, employee relocation assistance for smooth transitions, office decommissioning, including furniture removal and disposal. Office moving costs depend on factors like office size, moving distance, and additional services. Here are average price ranges. Moving within Milwaukee, $1,700 to $3,200. Milwaukee to Madison relocation, $2,000 to $4,500. For an exact quote, contact 3 Movers today.